Hello everyone and welcome to Remit. I am Lowell Sala and today I am going to talk about one of the main problems affecting overseas workers sending money. So in our case, Paul is working in the US and wants to send money to his family in the Philippines automatically every month so that he wouldn't have to worry. On average, the charging for sending $200 is $14. Recent remittance transactions also take longer time to process, and there's also challenges with the identity of the receiver as well as the sender. And this is where Remit comes in. Remit actually makes use of Superfluid for the management of cash flow, and for digital identity, it makes use of MetaMask and GunDB, a decentralized graph database where the metadata is stored in IPFS. Now, to show us the project, here is George.
So connect to MetaMask. This is Paul's account. And so you can see I'm in Paul's dashboard now. I already have some DAI in here. This is technically super DAI because it's already wrapped by Superfluid. So let's say that I want to send money to a relative in another country. That relative's name is Bob. So you can see how this comes in handy in terms of using GunDB in the back end to store the addresses, so I don't have to memorize or copy and paste or whatnot. And let's say that I want to send 1,000 DAIs per month, and so I submit the transaction, pay the gas fee, and what will happen next is that once the transaction goes through, this clears out, and I'll click out and you'll be able to see that it auto-populates the amount of money that's going out of your account to Bob's account. So I'll switch to Bob's account to show that it's actually working. So Bob's account is account 2. Connect to MetaMask. So I'm now in Bob's account. You can see I'm receiving the money from Paul. Now let's say I'm sending him a lot of money. I don't want to send him that much money anymore. So what Paul can do is reduce it down to like 500 DAI a month instead. Click change and pay the gas fee and submit the transaction. Yeah, there we go. So it switched to 500, and you'll be able to see that is going in real time as well to Bob's account here. Now let's say that Bob he just won the lottery, so he really does not need your remittance anymore. So what you could do is decide to terminate the remittance, so it's no longer going through, and this will just remove itself once the transaction goes through. See? It's no longer sending to Bob. There we go. It stopped here as well in real time. Yeah, I'm not receiving anything as Bob, and that's the whole process. So thank you for watching our demonstration.